Why do you need to install Nissan 350Z and 370Z wheel spacers with Hub-Centric? Nissan 350Z and 370Z wheel spacers are common modifications for car mode lovers looking to improve the performance and appearance of their vehicle. The Nissan wheel spacers are available in two types, one with Hub-Centric and one without Hub-Centric. Recommend installing the Nissan wheel spacers with Hub-Centric. The Nissan 350Z wheel spacers can change the wheel offset and back spacing when you add some larger components or buy another set of aftermarket wheels. Installing Hub-Centric Nissan 350Z wheel spacers can provide high stability. BONOSS Nissan wheel spacers have a multi-stage Hub-Centric design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration compared with common. The multi-stage Hub-Centric design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the BONOSS Nissan wheel spacers can also be well decorated with different data, providing the owners with more choice. Hub-Centric spacers make sure that there is constant contact between the hub, spacer, and wheel, thus creating smooth and reliable ride. When the spacer fits on the hub, it handles more weight and dry than if it fits on a lug only. This is why this kind of wheel spacers is usually more expensive than lug-centric, because the center hole of the spacer is specific to a certain model of vehicle. Besides, the bloxsport optically Nissan wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distribute in total shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system that they distribute on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving safety. So, if you are considering installing the wheel spacers on your Nissan 350Z or 370Z, remember to choose the ones with Hub-Centric.
No AI was used in the creation of this video. All editing was done manually. See you in the next video.